Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Margadarshak Play School at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking subject English for you. Yes, we have learned writing and reading alphabets. Okay, capital letters A to Z. Capital letters A to Z. Okay, and few matching also we have completed in our previous class. And some more matching letters we will learn today. Okay, what is our topic today? Matching letters to the pictures. We will match these letters to the pictures. We will match the letters to the pictures. So first we will read letters and pictures, then we will go for matching. Okay, now read which letter is this? K. Which letter is this? K. Capital K. Which letter is this? D. Capital D. Which letter is this? Capital D. Now say which letter is this? Capital T. Capital T. Which letter is this? N. Capital N. Which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. Once again. K. D. Yes, are you able to recognize these all letters? Yes, good children. Those who are not able to recognize, you open your, after completing the class, you open your classwork where you wrote A to Z. You keep your finger and read. A to Z, you open your classwork, put finger and read. Those who are not able to read. Yes? Now read along with me. Okay? K. D. T. N. E. All these are capital letters, big letters. Yes, how we have learned these letters? Using straight line, using sleeping line, using slanting line, using curve lines. Yes, we have used 4 lines to learn all these letters. Yes, say which letter is this? K. D. T. N. E. Now read out the picture. Which picture is this, children? Tomato. All like tomato? Yes. If it comes in curries, you should not remove. Okay, tomato is very good for health. So, in every curry we use tomato. You should not remove tomatoes and keep it aside. No, some children have the habit of removing tomatoes and keep aside. But you should not do that. Tomato is very good for our health. So, whenever you get tomato, you should eat tomato. Okay. What is this? Tomato. What is this? Net. What is this? Net. What is this? Ears. We have ears. How many ears you have? 2 ears. How many ears you have? 2 ears. So how many I have drawn on the board? 1. So it is ear. What it is? Ear. 2 means what we'll say? Ears. I have 2 ears. You have 2 ears. How many ears I have drawn? I have drawn only 1. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. What is this? Which picture is this? Kite. Which picture is this? Kite. Which picture is this, children? Duck. All like to see duck. Where you can see duck? In water. Yes, duck is in water. Once again, tomato, net, ear, kite, duck. Once again, tomato, net, ear, kite, duck. Now say tomato, which letter? Now we will learn from here. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. Which letter is this? D. D for duck. D for duck. D for duck. Which letter is this? T. T for tomato. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. N for net. N for net. N for net. E for ear. E for ear. E for ear. Once again. K for kite. Very good. All are saying K for kite. D for duck. D for duck. T for tomato. T for tomato. N for net. N for net. E for ear. E for ear. Now you say me K for kite. Very good. K for kite. Say D for duck. Where is duck? It's here. D for duck. T for tomato. T for tomato. N for net. N for net. E for ear. E for ear. Shall we match now? Yes. When you are doing matching, it should be in straight line. Okay, it should not be slanting, crooked lines. Yes, when you are matching, it's coming slanting, but slanting also it should be straight slanting, not crooked lines. Okay, and see how I have drawn pictures. Use only 4 lines too. We have 4 lines. Yes, English book 4 lines book. So you should use only that 4 lines to draw the pictures. Yes. Red up red line touch and down red line touch. Only 4 lines you should use and draw these pictures very small neatly in that 4 lines only. Picture should not go out of the line. Yes, you should use only 4 lines. Yes, if children, if you are able to draw, okay, you can do it on your own. Yes, you can draw tomato, you can draw net, you can draw kite. Whichever is difficult, like duck, here you can say your parents to help. Yes. Parents can also help to draw the pictures and give. Only they will draw pictures for you. You should only write the letters. You should only do matching. Understood? You should only write the letters. You should only match. Only parents will draw pictures for you. Parents will draw pictures for you, and whichever is difficult only they will draw. Easy one you can only try to do it on your own. Yes, you can do. Yes, you will do. Yes, you all are good children. You will try to do. Now we will match it, okay? K for kite. K for kite. How to draw kite? Kite, okay? K for kite. See how to draw kite? Yes, it should come like this. K for kite. K for, where is kite? It's here, no? So, till K for kite. Okay, where is K? Kite? Yes, it's here. So we have drawn a line for kite. Next, D for duck. D for duck. D for duck. Where is duck? It's here. Yes, where is duck? It's here. So we will draw line D to duck. D to duck. Slowly you draw. Yes, don't do fast. Slowly you should draw. D for duck. D for duck. Then T for tomato. T for tomato. Where is tomato? Yes, first one. T for tomato. Yes, now we will draw line up. This is T and this is tomato. So draw line to tomato. Yes. T for what? T for tomato. T for tomato. So like this you should draw a straight line. Draw a straight line to tomato. Then N for net. N for net. Where is net? Yes, this is net. For what we use net? To catch fish, no? To catch fish we use net. So N for net. Fishermen will use this net. N for net. So draw line up. N for net. Slowly. Yes, this is N for net. Then which letter is this? E. E for what? Ear. E for ear. Where is ear? Yes, this is ear. Yes. So E for ear. E for ear. Draw line. Okay. Now once again we will read. K for kite. K for kite. D for duck. D for duck. T for tomato. T for tomato. N for net. N for net. E for ear. E for ear. E for ear. Yes, this all you will do it in one paper. Okay, don't do both in one paper. This all 5 letters and 5 pictures in one paper, and in second paper this all 6 letters. Yes, 6 letters and 6 pictures in next paper. Is it clear, children? These all 5 letters and 5 pictures in one paper. 2 papers. Okay, this is one paper and this is second paper. First paper, second paper. So, to how many papers you will do today homework? 2 papers homework. Okay, now we will read the letters here. Okay, come on, say which letter is this? G. Which letter is this? G. Which letter? G. Which letter is this? W. Which letter is this? W. Now say which letter is this? Q. Which letter? Q. Which letter is this? V. Which letter is this? V. And here L. Which letter? L. And here X. Which letter? X. Once again, G, W, Q, V, L, X. Once again, G, W, Q, V, L, X. Now shall we read the pictures? Yes, which picture is this? Queen. Which picture is this? Queen. Here, van. Yes, van. You all like to sit and we will go for outing, no, in van? Yes. Queen, van. And what is this? Grapes. You all like to eat fruit, grapes? Yes, grapes. Now say which one is this? Lotus. It is a flower. Lotus. And what is this? Yes, Christmas tree, no? Xmas. And what is this? Wheel. All the vehicles have wheel. Your bicycle also have 2 wheels. Yes, this is what? Wheel. Again, queen, van, grapes, lotus, Xmas, wheel. Once again, this in Christmas time we will decorate our Christmas tree, no? So this is what? Xmas. Queen, van, grapes, lotus, Xmas, wheel. So now say G for what? G for grapes. Once again, G for grapes. G for grapes. W for wheel. W for wheel. All the vehicles have wheel. Your bicycle have wheel. Your mummy's scooty have wheel. Your daddy's bike has wheel. Yes. So what is this? W for wheel. W for wheel. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. V for van. V for van. V for van. L for what, children? Lotus. L for lotus. Lotus flower. No, in rivers, lakes we will see in lakes lotus flower. It will be in pink color. It will be in pink color. So L for lotus. L for lotus. L for lotus. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Once again, G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. W for wheel. W for wheel. W for wheel. Q for queen. Q for queen. V for van. V for van. L for lotus. L for lotus. L for lotus. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Again, G for, you say now G for grapes. G for grapes. W for wheel. W for wheel. Q for queen. Q for queen. V for van. V for van. L for lotus. L for lotus. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Understood, children? Now we will do matching. Okay, we will draw line. Yes, while drawing line, be careful. Draw the correct letter to the picture. If you do here and there again, you should erase it. Don't spoil your book. Okay. First read G. G for grape. So start drawing line. G for grapes. G for grapes. Okay. Then not writing down. W for wheel. W for wheel. W for wheel. So draw W for wheel. Okay. W for wheel. Then Q for queen. Q for queen. It is here. So draw line up. Q for queen. Yes, draw line slowly so that it will come very neat. Otherwise, you can use scale, children. Put your scale and draw it neatly. Okay. Put your scale. Where is the letter and picture? Then you draw the line. Use scale. That lines will come very straight. Okay. It will be good. If you use scale also, your book will be good. V for van. V for van. After drawing nice pictures, if you draw the lines slanting, it will look good. No. So use scale. V for van. Like this, you can also use scale. V is here. V for van. Yes. Okay. V for van. V for van. Then L for lotus. L for lotus. Draw line L to lotus. Yes, this is L to lotus. Over. L for lotus. Then X for Xmas. Christmas tree. Okay. So it is also known as Xmas. Okay. X for Xmas. Xmas means Christmas. X for Xmas. Yes, we finished drawing lines. Once again, we will read both. How you are going to do these 5 letters and pictures in one paper, and these remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in other paper. So 2 papers you will do. Today's work is your 2 papers, letters matching to the pictures. Okay, letters matching to the pictures. Once again, we will read. K for kite. K for kite. D for duck. D for duck. T for tomato. T for tomato. N for net. N for net. E for ear. E for ear. Once again. K for kite. K for kite. D for duck. D for duck. T for tomato. T for tomato. N for net. N for net. E for ear. E for ear. Now this second paper. G for grapes. G for grapes. W for wheel. W for wheel. Q for queen. Q for queen. V for van. V for van. L for lotus. L for lotus. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Once again. G for grapes. G for grapes. W for wheel. W for wheel. Q for queen. Q for queen. V for van. V for van. L for lotus. L for lotus. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Understood children? What is your homework? Your homework is write same in classwork. Okay, what you should do? These two papers. Homework. Write two papers. WRIT. Write TWO. Two pages. Okay, these two you should do in 2 pages. Okay, one this paper and one 6 letters and matching in another paper. So 2 pages is your homework. When you are writing the letters, read out. Yes, when you are writing K, read K for kite, D for duck, T for tomato, like that say and write children. Yes, and pictures, draw it very neatly using 4 lines only. You should not go out of the line. See how I used only 4 lines. In the same way, you should also use only 4 lines. Your parents will draw pictures for you. You should write the letters and you should only draw line. You should only do matching. Yes, only parents will help in drawing the pictures. Use scale and draw the straight lines. Yes, use scale so that the lines will come straight children. So use scale and draw neatly. And after writing, you should go through it. You should learn this. Okay, do your work neatly. These 2 pages homework today you should complete children. Thank you.